In this lecture, we are going to create our first React application. So quickly head on to reactjs.org, and here is the address. Click on Docs. Here is it. Alright, so at the right edge of the screen, you are going to see the tab. So right at the tab, you have to click on Create a new React app. And here is it. So the first thing we are going to do is to basically generate a boilerplate of a React application, which comprises of the libraries, the initial files and folders to run a simple React boilerplate application. Scroll down and let me show you. To create a new React app, we have to follow these instructions. The npx command would be used to create a new React app without having to install it on our system. Haven't understood all this? Let's proceed to create a new React app. Head on to the desktop. And over here, we are going to create a root directory, React course. Right click, hit on new folder. React-course. Hit on the enter key. Take note, when naming your project, always use a descriptive name that betells the purpose of the project, so you will be able to recognize it in the future. Sounds good? Beautiful. So quickly open up the VS Code. Let's close down the sample page. Now, the next in line is to drag and drop the folder down into the VS Code. And again, close down the sample page. Maximize the VS Code. Let's open up the VS Code integrated terminal. And I'm going to do Ctrl+backtick. Can you see? The backtick is located at the top left corner of the keyboard, right below the escape key. And as well, if the shortcut doesn't work for you, all you have to do is to go to the top and then Terminal, New Terminal. You click on it, it opens up for you. And right at the terminal, we have to create a new React app. npx create-react-app. The React application will be installed in a directory called client. And also, you can decide to change the name of this directory, but I highly recommend you stick with the convention client. Simply because React.js has to do with the front end, which implies the UI part of the application. You can as well name it front end, like this. Okay, so this is also conventional. Alright, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the convention client. Hit on the enter key to proceed. React installation is ongoing. And this would definitely take a while, so I just have to fast forward the lecture. React.js installed successful. To proceed, we have to step into the client directory where we installed the React.js. So I'm just going to do cd client. Hit on the enter key to proceed. The next in line is to start up the front-end dev server. And I'm going to do npm start. Hit on the enter key to get it fire up. And by the way, npm simply means Node Package Manager. On the screen is the React landing page. And by default, it is running on localhost port 3000. So now we are done with the installation. In the next lecture, we will begin to unveil the React boilerplate. This is all for now, and see you in the next lecture. Stay focused and always take care.